Good morning. Just like to demonstrate how I'm tuning up the tar heel in the mobile. I've got this field strength meter with an antenna that I stripped back and plugged into the auxiliary port on my radio for a ground. And I've got this tiny SA. So first, we're going to turn up the volume. We're going to tune for maximum noise. It's going to be hard to hear. That seems to be getting close. I'm going to switch to CW mode and flipper this in. And then we're going to try to get the maximum indicated field strength. And I believe we've passed it. There she goes. And right there, she's fully tuned up. Minus 46 dB. That took a while. Normally doesn't take that long, but that's how I'm tuning out. Don't have an SWR meter in line, so, and this one won't work, so you gotta do what you gotta do.